Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have a fashion box to share with you. I know, are you surprised? So I know I said I was gonna take a break. I don't remember what made me order another box. Something made me order another one. I did say, and you can watch my last video, that I was taking a little break from fashion for a bit. My last box was just a bust. I didn't keep anything. There were some promising styles in there, but you know, it just wasn't anything that fit right. You know what I mean? So anyway, I ordered another box. They said it was gonna take a little bit longer to style. I said, totally fine. If you have to wait until more styles come in stock, that's fine with me. And I think at that time, they gave everybody a little bit of credit that was waiting for their box around the same time that I was. So I appreciate that. And I have some credit from you guys using my link, so I really appreciate that as well. There may be some promising pieces in this box, so we're gonna try everything on. We may have some keepers, so I'm excited to share this with you. I know, I can't help myself with my clothing boxes. So, all right, I will be right back. Isn't this Old Navy dress so fun? I have to just talk about this for a second. And I know I should put my hair up so you can see. Aren't my Kendra Scott pink earrings perfect with it? I'm loving this look. I'm like, I wish I had somewhere to go today. I'm gonna have to make somewhere to go. Target maybe? I don't know. We're gonna find somewhere because I gotta show off my new outfit. Or maybe I'll just wash it and I'll wear it to work tomorrow. All right, I'll be right back and we're gonna see what's in my newest fashion box. Okay, so the first top is by Laura Italy. It's the printed cotton top. It's $42 and it's 100% cotton. Now, I believe that it's an extra large. There's not a size listed on the sheet. And I didn't see one on the tag either, but I could have missed it. I have mixed feelings about this top. So I like the color, like the background color of the top. It's almost kind of like a dolman, a little bit. What do you think? The sleeve length is pretty nice. I like the material. I love the material. Here's the length of it. I put it on with some white shorts. I kind of like it. I think I'm just thrown off because I wasn't expecting to like it. What do you think about it? I mean, it's not bad. I think I like the length of it. The pattern is very unique. So we have some, it's like a mixed pattern top. We have some stripes. What else do we have? Some polka dots over here. You see those? We have a little bit of paisley. Yeah, it's like kind of a mixed pattern, and I kind of like it. I think it's different. What do you think about it? Is it too big and too oversized? I know it's supposed to be oversized, but does it look too oversized to you? Let me know what you think. Let me turn around and show you the back of it. I don't know. It might be fun with like those blush, oh, they're not out here. I had those blush sandals that I showed in my Old Navy haul, and it may look cute with those. I don't know. I could even maybe belt it a little bit. Some of you may tell me like, Kayla, come on, you're trying too hard to like the top. I don't know though. You know how sometimes you try something on, you're like, oh, I kind of like that. That's how I'm kind of feeling about this, but I could, you know, I could watch back and be totally wrong. I'm not crazy about a rounded neckline, but I don't know. I can't have all V-necks. We got to switch it up a little bit. I don't know. I'm going to watch back and see. Let me know too. And I do love cotton. I really do. Okay. What do I have? I have a couple more shirts to show you. This is the first top. I've been doing a lot of videos today, so I'm like, wait a minute, am I done? Nope. We just started the fashion video, so hang on. I'm going to change. I'll be right back. Okay, so the next top is by the brand Manzana. It's the off-shoulder top. It's $42 and it's 96% polyester, 4% spandex. It almost has like a bathing suit type material. It's not as thick as a bathing suit, but you know, your outer layer of the bathing suit, not the lining, but kind of that feel. Anyway, let's talk about it. So it is an off the shoulder top, but I am going to show you that you can wear it as an on the shoulder top as well. I just pulled my bra straps down because I am going to pull it back up. It does tie here and it has a keyhole front. This is the front of the top. This isn't the back. I don't know if I like the look of the keyhole right there. I just kind of feel like it's oddly placed. Look at the pattern. I'm coming closer so you can see the pattern. The pattern is very cute. I really do like the pattern. Almost has like a geometric type of feel, doesn't it? And then it has a ruffle along the sleeve, each sleeve, and it has that same ruffle, like mini ruffle detail, not huge, along the bottom of the top. I'll back up so you can see. I kept my white shorts on so you could see it. I'd probably wear it like this. I'm on the fence about this one too. This box is really throwing me for a loop. I'm not positive. You know, they're unique pieces, patterns that I probably wouldn't pull for in a store myself. That doesn't mean I wouldn't wear them, just that I wouldn't pull for to try. What do you think? Again, I couldn't find a size, but maybe it's just me. Let me show you the invoice so you could see. I just gotta block my address, but no sizes listed. Usually the sizes are listed right next to the items. So yeah, I don't know. I'm on the fence, and it's like a pink color. It's not red. From far away, it kind of looks red, but it is pink. I'll show you the back of it. Okay, let me know what you think. It feels very clingy, and I don't think I'll like that. But let me show you how you can wear it up. I'm just gonna pull, just bear with me. So you can wear it up like this, and it has more of like a square, like a rounded square, I'd call it, neckline. So it's not a bad, I mean, that gives you two looks for this top. You could pull it down and wear it off the shoulder, or you could wear it like this. But I'm just not sure. I'm not convinced. I'm gonna watch back again and see. I just don't know. What do you think? Let me know. All right, I'm gonna change into the next top. Okay, next dress is by BBA. I've never heard of that brand. The Lizzy Dress with pockets, $41, 95% rayon and 5% spandex. I was really shocked to see this was 95% rayon. To me, it doesn't feel like rayon, but that's just me. Okay, like the neckline. Oh, look, my earrings match nicely. I have a dress this color from Trunk, and I haven't worn it yet, but it's a maxi style dress. I just love that dress. I really like the color of this dress a lot. It has short sleeves. It's just a basic t-shirt dress, but bonus, it's got pockets. Yeah, what do you think? I didn't think I was gonna like this dress, but I kind of do. I think I may end up keeping this dress. It would be a nice kind of cover up, and I love the color. It'd be a nice beach cover up, or you know, after the pool, throw it on, or like I've been saying with my dresses, throw it on, run to the grocery store, run to Target, do your errands, put on, oh, actually hang on. I have some sandals that might be fun with this. I'm just sliding them on, hang on. They're not my heel sandals, they're my flat sandals. And now I'm struggling, of course. I knew that was gonna happen. Can't be easy, right? So my snake skin print sandals might look fun with this dress. What do you think? But you could dress it up too, like I've been saying. You could dress this dress up with maybe some heeled wedges or some heeled sandals. This is, yeah, it's comfortable. It's very comfortable. I may keep this dress. I really like the color of it. Okay, I'll turn around and show you the back. Let me know what you think of it. And it has a little bit of movement, but not too much movement, and it does bring it in a little bit. My issue with my last box, we're gonna just talk about it now. A lot of the dresses were oversized and they just didn't do anything for my shape. It was just like they hung. And I said, I need a little bit more of a fitted dress. And they kind of delivered, right? What do you think? So I think I may keep this one. Let me know. All right, I've got some more items to show you. I'll be right back. Okay, I don't see a brand for this one. I'll check the tag, and if I find the brand, it'll be across the screen with the name of it. It's a striped elastic tunic, $35, 100% cotton. I was rooting for this top because I love the concept of it, but I just don't, did I tell you it's 100% cotton? It is. I just don't think it's gonna work. I love the off the shoulder, and this is one that is going to stay pretty much, it'll move up a little bit, but you know, as I'm moving my arms around, it's not really going anywhere, you know? You're probably gonna see what's wrong with it. It kind of looks like a bag, doesn't it? Yeah, I don't think it has much shape. I think if it were a little bit more fitted, maybe I would need to size down. Oh yeah, I'm pulling. That's a sign I'd be pulling all day, huh? This would drive me crazy. You know, I don't mind elastic wristbands. Some of the tops that I do own have elastic wristbands, but they're not tight to your wrists. And I just don't know if I like the look of the balloon sleeve for me. What do you think? Okay, let's talk about what I love. I love it's striped. See the pretty stripes down the front of the top? Well, across the whole top actually, not just the front. And then look at the pretty embroidery on the sleeves. Isn't it gorgeous? And it goes around the whole, it doesn't just stop, it goes around the whole sleeve. I really like that look. I just don't care for the balloon sleeve. I was so hoping this would work out because how fun would this be for a nautical look with my red tassel earrings, my white shorts, some white wedges. even tan. How cute. But yeah, I don't think, unless I watch back and love it, maybe I'll try to size down, but I just don't think, I kind of feel like it hangs. Let me know though. Oh, I was rooting for it. All right, let me show you the back. Yeah, so I think this one's gonna go back, but I'll watch back and we'll see. All right, I've got a pair of shorts to show you, and they're so different than what I normally wear, so I'm gonna try those on. I'll be right back. I gotta go find a top to pair them with. Hang on. Okay, so we're gonna talk about the shorts. These are the Blue Age striped shorts. They are $42. They are 100% rayon. Now, I'm not sure how I feel about these. I pulled this top. I just received this top. I exchanged it in one of my Stitch Fix boxes, and that was a while ago. It just came in, and so it was handy. So I paired it with this white top. This might not be the right top to pair it with. I don't know how I feel about these shorts. I mean, they're cute. They're burgundy. They do have the stripes. They do tie here at the waist, so I wonder if I need to like find a shirt. I don't like to front tuck though, and I don't know if I like that look on me, but let's try it. I almost feel like I may need to. Oh, I guess it's not too, let me come closer so I can see myself doing it. Oh, I guess it's not too bad if I do like a front tuck. Oh, I don't know. I'm on the fence. I don't know. I know I look crazy, but I'm just trying to show you. Oh, they have pockets too. They feel very lightweight. They feel very like an easy breezy short. What do you think? I don't know. I put them on with some wedges just to kind of put an outfit together. I know this is not the right outfit, but maybe like a solid white tank with these shorts. I don't know. Tell me what you think about them. I don't own anything like this, so they'd be like a unique addition to my wardrobe. And if I kind of want like, I mean, I guess they're red. They're more of a burgundy maroon color, but I think I'd want like a bright red, or maybe a, you know what, maybe a blue. I don't know, but see how they tie? They have an elastic waistband. Let me know what you think about them. I'm on the fence. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna watch back and see. All right, I'll be right back and we will do a recap. All right, I know I didn't change back into my dress, but I figured we'd just do the recap like this. So I definitely would say that this was an improvement from my last box. Not as many fit issues. Things tended to fit better. They weren't like tense and oversized. Yeah, last time was bad, huh? So I don't know. I am on the fence about a lot of these pieces. I definitely think I'm gonna keep this pink dress though. I think it was very cute. And like I said, it would be an easy dress. I like to pull for dresses to kind of do my errands in when it's hot and things like that. So I do think I'm gonna keep this dress, and it matches perfectly with the earrings. Put on some flats and I am good to go out the door. Good for pool days, beach days, things like that. I actually kind of liked this one. Watching back, and that I can get two different looks. Now, I don't know, maybe I should size up because it was a little bit clingy. I don't know if that'll solve the clinginess though. I don't know that I found a size. I don't think I found a size on here. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think about this top. The pattern, it would be a different pattern for my wardrobe. See, let me show you a close up. Isn't it a pretty pattern? I like the pink color too. So maybe, I mean, I don't know. Let me know. So those are the two that I'm leaning towards. I don't know about the shorts. I kept them on just to kind of see how they feel. I've been kind of, I don't know. I'm on the fence about them. I'm kind of going back and forth, but I got to find the right top to pair with them for me to really know if I'd pull for them. If I don't have the right top, this top is not the right one. I got to fix this one too. It just came in. Just came in my mail. So that's why I pulled it and it was handy. The off-the-shoulder blue and white striped top is going back, and that first top I think is gonna go back too. I don't know. I don't think I'd pull for it. It's okay, but I just don't think I'd pull for it. So I think I might keep two. But then with Fashom, you get a discount if you keep three. So I might have to watch back and see. But let me know what you think of this box. So thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.